Okay, so I have a small problem here. The headlight adjusting motor or headlight leveling motor is not working well, and it gives that weird shake on that light there. And this is actually the piece I need to replace. It's just right behind the headlight. And what it does, it actually turns like this, and it adjusts your headlight up or down how it should be. So mine is broken there, and I need to replace this. Where is it located? Here is your headlight, and just behind the headlight, right there, you have their headlight adjusting motor. To remove that, we have a connector right there below, and we have here this plastic bolt which we need to unscrew as well. That will allow you to remove this motor and replace it with the other one. Okay, first let's disconnect our connector. It's right down there. You can't see it, but there is no chance you will miss this. Now let's undo this plastic bolt here. This can take some time. Now you need to turn this motor loose, like this, and undo our plastic bolt, which is also your regulator. There. So there it is. Now let's compare those two. I see here some oxidation. Wait, I'm going to show it to you in a moment. So this is the old one. If you can see it on camera, we have here some oxidation, and it's broken on this side. That would be a problem. This unit is not good anymore. So let's replace this with new one. New one here, we can see it's all nice and proper. Here you have those two, so it should be okay. Okay, now let's put this back to its place, like this, and continue tighten this bolt just a little bit more, and then you will need to go to your local repair shop, so they will align those lights how they should be. You can feel it like it's a little bit loose, so I'm going to tighten this more, and when you feel that it's snug, leave it like this and let's do the rest by repair shop. Yes. Now let's put our connector back to its place. And in fact, we are done.